Okay, welcome to today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we are going to go over and review how to set up the Facebook tracking pixel on your website. So we're going to need to open up your Wordpress dashboard, and also if you're not using WordPress, I'll show you how to do this on your other web pages as well. So we want the dashboard open and your Facebook account open. So what you're going to do is go up into this upper corner here and go to the Ads Manager and click on that. And then right up in the upper left corner, you're going to click on the little menu to go to Ads Manager. And we're going to click down on Pixels. And if you had this open for the All Tools, it's just under Assets. So you click on Pixels. And we're going to create a pixel. So we're going to pick which page name you want this added to. So this is for my JenMcGlory.com site. And just make sure that that's clicked, that you agree to their terms, meaning that they're going to be putting this pixel on your website and using it for tracking. And click Next. Okay, and we're just going to copy and paste the code. So this here, we're just going to click this to copy to your clipboard. And we are going to move back over into your WordPress dashboard. Now, if you are using a Genesis child theme, you would go into the Genesis area and go into Theme Settings. It's going to just take a second. And then scrolling down to the bottom here under Header Scripts, this is anything that's going to be loaded in the headers of your website. And we're just going to paste this code in and click Save Changes. Now, if you don't have Genesis, you're using a different theme, you would go into Appearances and Theme Editor. And here you would look for something called the header page, the header header PHP page. I don't think I have any examples of themes that are using this right now, so basically what it's going to do is you're going to have some HTML at the top here in between header tags, and you're going to copy and paste that information right in there. Now, if you don't happen to have WordPress running on your website and you're using something else, let me see here. I'll use this as an example. Give me a moment and I'll pull up another example page. Okay. So for example, if you're using regular HTML page, you can go into a code editor or the control panel of your hosting site and go to the File Manager, and you would just click on a header, the header file for your website. And what you're doing is you're wanting to make sure it is in between the heading tags. So this head tag here, and this one up at the very top. And that's where you're going to be pasting the code in right before that closing tag. Okay? So that is your little Facebook pixel code. And then you would just save, and it would then show up on all of the pages on your website. Okay. Alright, so now that we have that installed, we're going to go back to the Ads Manager, and we're going to check the pixel status. So we're going to go back to our Ads Manager, collect pixels, and if it's active, it will show. So it says that it can take up to 20 minutes for the pixel status to change after installing it, so it's going to be a little bit before I can actually test that out. But that is basically how you add your pixel to your website. And again, if there's something that you're kind of unfamiliar with and you're not sure that you want to continue, you want to do it, try doing it yourself, just shoot me an email and I will help you out with that. Alright, I hope this helps, and I will talk to you next week on Tech Tip Tuesday.